Hi, in today's video I am going to walk you through how you can install the latest version of Microsoft Office on your PC using only official Microsoft tools. No cracks, no shady downloads and no paid subscription required during setup. Just stick with me till the end and you will have Office and running on your system. Before we jump into the installation, there's one important thing. If you already have any version of Microsoft Office installed, maybe a trial version or an expired one, it's a good idea to remove it first. Here's how you can do that. First open Control Panel. Now go to Uninstall a program. Now find anything related to Microsoft Office and uninstall it completely. If you got any problem during uninstallation, then here's a certain tutorial for you. Once that's done, we are ready to move on. Now open your web browser and search for Office Configuration Tool. This is Microsoft's official Office customization tool. First, choose 64-bit version. Then under Office Suites, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. If a newer version is available when you are watching this, feel free to pick that instead. Next, you will see a list of Office apps. You can customize this if you want. I will keep Word, Excel, PowerPoint, include Outlook, Access, Publisher, etc. After that, scroll down to the language section. Pick your preferred language. Here I'll be select English United States. Once everything is set, click on Export. Choose Office Open XML format. Accept the terms, then export the file. This will download a file called configuration.xml. This file basically tells Office what to install and how. Now we need the tool that actually installs the Office. Open your browser again and search for Office Deployment Tool. Make sure you open the official Microsoft website. Now download the tool. Run the file. And then accept the agreement. When it asks where to extract the files, choose a location that's easy to access, like your desktop or downloads folder. After extraction, you will see a few files, including setup.exe and a sample XML file. Now create a new folder. You can name it Office 2024. Move setup.exe and your configuration.xml into that folder. Now here comes the actual installation part. Open command prompt as administrator. Then type cd and paste the path to your folder. And then press enter. Now run this command. Setup.exe space /configure space configuration.xml. Make sure as it is as on the file name. Once you hit enter, the installation will begin. Now you will see a progress indicator. Just leave it running. Don't close the window. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and how many apps you selected. Once everything finishes, close the command prompt. Go to your Start menu. Now open any Office app like Word or Excel. When you open the app, you might see a message saying activation required. That's normal. The version we installed is a volume license edition, which means it doesn't require a product key during installation. It also doesn't force you to sign in immediately. But for long term usage with full features and updates, you will still need a valid license. Alright, that's how you can install Microsoft Office using official tools without relying on any third party software. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.